Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to clean your Whirlpool dishwasher. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you have a Whirlpool dishwasher and you want to go ahead and clean it. Well, here's how to do it. So first things first, we're going to go ahead and remove the bottom rack. And over here, you want to go ahead and remove any physical debris that you see at the bottom of your dishwasher. So you can simply go ahead and grab a paper towel. And again, I'm going to move this bottom rack out of the way for a bit. And then you're simply just going to go ahead and wipe any debris, physical debris that you see at the top of the filter over here. Now, once you've done so, we're going to go ahead and clean the filters. So there's two filters that you can pull out. The first filter is this one here. So you want to go ahead and twist it counterclockwise and pull it out and spend some time rinsing this off. Okay, so that's the first filter. The second one is this one over here where it literally just pulls right off, just like that. And you can spend some time washing this filter too. So go ahead and rinse out both filters thoroughly. And after you're done, you're going to go ahead and place this filter back. And it should snap into place just like that. And then go ahead and grab this filter, place it in the center, and then twist it clockwise until you hear it or you feel it lock in place, like it shouldn't move anymore. So now that you've cleaned the filters, the next thing you want to do is that let's go ahead and grab some distilled vinegar. And here we have about a cup. So we're going to pour about a cup of distilled vinegar into here. Actually, let's go ahead and use a bigger cup. So we'll use this here because I think that one over there is just half a cup. So we're going to pour about a cup of distilled vinegar into here. And then for this 1 cup of distilled vinegar, you're going to place it on the top rack just like that. Now let's go ahead and close it up and then return the bottom rack. And then we are going to do a high temperature rinse. So make sure that it's a high temp, which is right over here, and then run 1 cycle. Okay, so go ahead and close it. And then afterwards, go ahead and press start and let's go ahead and run 1 cycle. Now, after this cycle runs, okay, at 1 time, you're going to do a second cycle with baking soda. So you're going to pour baking soda at the bottom of the rack. Okay, just spread it at the bottom of the rack and then run a second cycle. But that's essentially how you go ahead and clean your Whirlpool dishwasher. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.